Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. In this video, we'll see a basic Terraform configuration that provision a virtual private cloud on AWS. So this is useful for setting up isolated cloud environment for applications or services. We'll walk through the code, understand what each part does, and then apply it using Terraform to see the infrastructure come to life on AWS. So let's begin the demo. So first we'll create a directory. So name it mkdir VPC. Now move to the directory VPC. Now first we'll create a file called provider.tf. So give the name vi provider.tf. Here we'll insert space I for insert, and here we'll write provider. We are using AWS, so we'll give AWS, and we'll give the region equal to US East 1. You can give your region as per your settings, and close this bracket. Now we'll save this file. Now we'll create another file vi.vpc.tf. Press enter and press I for insert. Here we'll give resource AWS, resource AWS, AWS VPC, and give the name whatever you want. I will give demo VPC and provide the CIDR block. CIDR underscore block. I will give 10.0.0.0 /16. Close. And for now, I will keep simple. In the next video, I will create subnet, gateways, all these things. So for basic understanding, we'll keep it simple and close this bracket. You can also provide tags. So we'll see in the next video how we can do. Now we'll save this. So it's good practice to provide separate file for provider and for this VPC. So now we'll run the command terrafom init. So it will take some time. So it's initialized. Now we'll run the command terraform plan, PLA plan, and press enter. So here you can see like it will create resource AWS VPC demo VPC. So we'll check it. Now we'll apply terraform, apply. So it will ask. So here you can enter yes to approve it. So now it's been creating AWS VPC. It's now start creating. It gets created. Let's check in the AWS. So go to the VPC and check the ID which what was. So this one 049 is ID of VPC. So go to the VPC and check 049 this one and this CIDR which we have provided 10.0.0/16. So in this way you can create the VPC using Terraform. So that's all from this video. We'll see you in the next video.